Yo, what is up? It's your boy Chavez. Guess what? I got my new business cards. Let's go ahead and check them out. Here they are. Let's rip it open real fast. So here it is. This is the front and the back. You got my website, a QR code to my website, and the handle for Instagram and YouTube as well. Really? A business card with no name, no address, no phone number? What the fuck are you thinking, right? Well, I think you don't need it. I mean, everything that you need to know is going to be on my website. Now, if you follow me on Instagram, you kind of already know about these business cards, and I had a lot of feedback from people about them. First of all, let's talk about how you use a QR code, because it seemed like a lot of people didn't really know how those things are used. So basically, I discovered this by accident while I was in New York last month. I was at my Airbnb and it had this little folder with my name on it, and it had all these different recommendations for restaurants and what to do and how to get to the subway and all this other stuff. I was taking pictures of all the recommendations so I can check it out later. When I got to the last page, I had my camera phone open and it was waving over the last page, and all of a sudden I got this link recommendation. It had a link to YouTube. So I ended up clicking it, and it ended up being directions on how to open up that futon and make it into a bed. And I didn't know you could do that. I always thought that you needed a different app for the QR code. Apparently so did a lot of my followers, because it seemed like a lot of people were confused on how QR codes work. Since a lot of people were confused on how to use it, let's just go over it real quick. Open up the camera on your phone. So here we are. I just opened up the camera on my phone. Look, when you hold your camera phone over, you get a link on the top of your phone. You click that, you get redirected over to my website. From there, you can click the phone number and you can call me. If you hold on the number, you'll have the option to message me. If you click on the address, nothing happens. But if you go over to the menu, you go to contacts, you scroll down, there's going to be a map right there. You click on the little icon and look at that. You go straight into maps, hit directions, hit start.
You've arrived.
I'm already here. Super easy, right? That's how we want things. So yeah, you don't have to manually type in my website. You don't have to manually type in an address. All you have to do is open up your camera phone, hold it over the QR code, hit the link. Everything that you need to know is going to be on my website. My name, my credentials, my portfolio, my social media, how to get here, my phone number, everything. Everything is going to be there. You can schedule an appointment right away while you're on my website as well. I'm always trying to make things as quick and easy as possible, and I really think that these business cards get straight to the point. Other than that, let me know in the comment section if you think this is a good idea, bad idea, or I don't know, if you want me to go back to the old cards with just the address, the phone number, and everything else. Let me know down in the comment section. Anyway, as always, feedback is always appreciated. I always like to hear what my clients and what my viewers have to say. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll make sure to have another video by the end of the week. So here we are. I just opened up the camera on my phone. It doesn't tell me anything right away. When I first showed these business cards on Instagram, I didn't have my Instagram handle on it, but now I do. I don't know why I did that, because everything that you need to know is on my website. I'll just throw it away. I don't have the app for that, or if I don't need any app, I'm too lazy to use it. It's a lot easier than typing anything in, so all of my social media accounts are on there. However, I have removed Facebook and Twitter because I don't really use it very much. I mainly focus on YouTube and Instagram now. I'm probably not going to be focusing on Instagram as much. I'm still going to be answering direct messages, but most of my focus is going to be on YouTube from now on. I love the simplicity, but the phone number is essential. So if you go on my website and click on the phone number, you can call me right away. If you hold it, you can text message me. I'm going to try these out. If they don't work out and a lot of people complain about them, then I'm going to switch back to traditional business cards, obviously. Alright, so let's go over this real quick.